Alright, this video is called It Has Begun, Major Symptoms That You Are Leaving the Old Earth and Shifting to the New 5D Earth. And it's by The Secret Universe.
Good morning, Lights. I hope you're well rested and ready to listen to this message. Today we continue exploring the fascinating history of ancient Atlantis. Atlantis was once connected and directly to the land of the east coast of North America, which is one of the world's most powerful energy vortexes. Let us discuss this a little more. Crystal technology existed in the time of Great Atlantis, and the Rosicrucian secret doctrine of Atlantis speaks of it over 12,000 years ago. In those days, this technology was used to aid the rise of the Atlanteans. Time traveling, teleportation, and multidimensional training with the Atlantis crystal vortex were also used. After it sank 12,000 years ago and was swallowed up by the Atlantic oceans during the Great Deluge, this powerful crystal amplifier was activated by the ocean. This powerful Atlantean ascension device still exists and is still running today in the deep oceans off the east coast of North America, according to the whole story. The space-time field is being affected by incredible scalar waves emitted by this crystal device right now. There is a story that says the Bermuda Triangle is a small electromagnetic area called the Devil's Triangle, located from the southern tip of Florida through Puerto Rico up to Bermuda and back to Florida. This story claims that the energetic triangle is real, but the area is really hundreds of times larger and extends all the way down to the east coast of North America, from Canada to Florida and out of the Atlantic to the west coast of Africa. Exclusive Atlantean written materials say this triangle is the original landmass of Great Atlantis. As long as one understands how to live and work with the energy of the Atlantean scholar crystal, it may be very beneficial. So what actually happens in the Atlantean portal when you're in there? As a matter of fact, before you can use this portal to its fullest potential, you'll need to overcome several obstacles, including letting go of your fears. Is it possible for me to enter if I've been deemed worthy by universal vibrational requirements? Until you are ready, you will be able to pass the Atlantean portal barrier. You passed the test. Congratulations. The moment you enter the Atlantean pyramid vortex, you'll feel like you've traveled into another dimension. This is the bridge between 4D and 5D. So here we go. The Pleiadian ground crew's first-hand story of being in a new world. Welcome to a world that is unique, but also familiar to me. To get to this point, I had to make a few sacrifices. Some major things had to go, and I am restarting from scratch. I'm back at the beginning. Is that right? Definitely not. Then, that's just the way it seems at first. It is a journey, and we will go on it together. And it is definitely out of the ordinary. Surely the time has changed over here. It is going to take longer. I feel as though I've returned 40 years in time. It makes me wonder why it's taken 40 years for this to come to pass. I do remember that time, and it was my favorite. Was that usual back in the day? I finally had time to just walk around and enjoy myself. Musically, it was an awe-inspiring period in which I often fell in love and could play with my fantasies. Then, it looked simple. As of a few days ago, I've noticed that I've been given more time in this Atlantian portal. In the higher realms, it is said, time moves in a different manner. It's incredible. This place is crazy energizing, to say the least. The new vibration is something I must become skillful with. I now see that this is only a tiny glimpse of something truly magnificent. As soon as I think about it, something big is going to happen. They said you couldn't go back in time and do things all over again. Yet it seems that I've just done that.
Down there, care with Cottonelle, because you're all over your overall wellness. So treat the skin you don't see like the skin you do, with strong cleaning ripples that remove more at once. Part of Cottonelle's refreshingly clean routine that leaves you feeling amazing. Down there, care with Cottonelle. Forward is innovative solutions like an online lending portal that helps you find the best borrowing option for your needs, even if it doesn't look like Forward. PNC Bank. See how we can make a difference for you.
That. In the span of a few hours, I've crossed many dimensions and time zones. Is this possible? How very interesting. In how many ways have I said, if only I could go back in time and start all over again? What would I do differently if I had the power to do so? Well, I'm here, so I'll have to go to work. I am going to build a whole new world from scratch. For everyone, there should be an abundance of goodness in the world. So that's what I'm about to do. This is what I was born to do. I hope you enjoyed the Pleiadian Ground Crew's first-hand story of being in the new world. Doesn't it sound exciting? Doesn't it sound exhilarating and free? We wish for you to experience the same kind of joy and feeling of endless possibility. I truly hope that this first-hand account has given you courage and optimism for the journey we are about to embark together. I know it has for me. We will speak again soon. As always, we love you deeply and wish for you to have the most abundant and joyous life possible. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.
And so it is.